kabayan, we have big offer today here in Shopee Alsada Shop. You can come here. It's near in Almajas 2 and backside Shamsi. This dress also, we have 15 dirhams. And the bags also, 15 dirhams, 15 dirhams, and 15 dirhams, and 15 dirhams. We have also offers, blazers, like 10 dirhams, and we have also pants, 10 dirhams, and we have too much designs, and you can get this 10 dirhams. We have offered this blouse, two-piece, 15. Like this blouse, this one design. Tuxedo for the man, we have only 35 dirhams. This jackets also, 15 dirhams.